Have you ever noticed that airplanes almost always take off against the wind? It might seem counterintuitive at first, but in reality, it's a key part of how flight works. To understand this, we need to talk about lift. Lift is the force that allows an airplane to rise off the ground, and it depends largely on how fast air moves over the wings, not how fast the plane moves over the ground. Here's the crucial point. What matters is airspeed, not ground speed. Imagine a plane needs to reach 250 kilometers per hour of airspeed to take off. If there's no wind, the plane must accelerate along the runway until its ground speed also reaches 250 kilometers per hour. But now, imagine there's a strong headwind, say 50 kilometers per hour, blowing directly against the plane. The air is already moving toward the wings. That means the plane only needs a ground speed of 200 kilometers per hour to achieve the same 250 kilometers per hour of airspeed. This has several major advantages. First, shorter takeoff distance. The plane reaches the required airspeed faster, so it doesn't need as much runway. Second, better safety margin. Lower ground speed means less kinetic energy, which reduces stress on the aircraft and lowers risk in case of an aborted takeoff. Third, improved climb performance. With stronger airflow over the wings and control surfaces, the aircraft becomes more responsive right after liftoff. Now let's flip the situation. If a plane tried to take off with a tailwind, wind blowing in the same direction, it would need a much higher ground speed to reach the same airspeed. That means a longer runway, higher stress, and reduced safety. In many cases, it's simply not allowed. That's why airports are designed with multiple runway directions, and air traffic control will always assign the runway that best aligns with the current wind. So next time you're at the airport and notice planes taking off into the wind, now you know. They're not fighting the wind, they're using it. In aviation, the wind isn't an obstacle, it's an advantage.